Namaste, guys. Christian Long, Life Enhancement Consultant, giving you a big and beautiful shout out on this Thursday afternoon here in Denver, Colorado. It's 1 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time. We're doing our daily dose of light, love, and power with our focus today on power. Power. So, for those of you who've been following, the three essential qualities of the soul are light, love, and power. And then within those qualities are virtues, and the major virtues, the five officially, but we throw in a sixth one. The five official major virtues that we work on within pranic healing and Arhatic yoga are loving kindness and non-injury, generosity and non-stealing, accurate perception, correct expression with a subset of honesty and non-lying, moderation and non-excessiveness, and lastly, constancy of aim and effort and non-laziness. So the power aspect of the soul is connected to the virtue, or the virtue, I should say, is connected to the power aspect of the soul of constancy of aim and effort and non-laziness, which, as Grandmaster Toho Koksui says, the modern founder of pranic healing and Arhatic yoga, that the person who masters the virtue of constancy of aim and effort and non-laziness is destined for greatness, right? So constancy simply means being consistent and persistent in the direction of your goal, your dreams, your targets, the thing that you want to accomplish. So that's solar plexus energy. So that's constancy. And you can't have constancy without courage. So courage is also connected to the solar plexus. It's the daringness. It's the willingness to get out of your comfort zone. That's solar plexus, courage, constancy. So you have constancy of aim and effort. So where's the aim coming from? The Ajna chakra. So the Ajna chakra gives you direction. So you wake up in the morning and you say, this is what I'm supposed to do and how I'm supposed to do it. That's the Ajna chakra. It gives you aim. Without aim, you're like a boat without a rudder, right? You're just kind of wandering around aimlessly, no aim. And then effort. So constancy of aim and then effort is your basic chakra. Your basic chakra deals with movement, deals with dynamic activity, deals with making things happen. It deals with the physical work of your aim. So your sales calls, your appointments, you're building something, you're inventing something, the physical work of doing something, right? That's constancy, solar plexus, moving through resistance, aim, knowing where you're going, and effort, doing the physical things to make it happen. And then the last part is non-laziness. So, excuse me, there's the tendency for us to procrastinate, to delay, to avoid doing the things necessary to fulfill our commitments, our promises, and our obligations. So that's why from the three aspects of the soul, light, love, and power, the virtue that comes from power is constancy of aim and effort and non-laziness. It is the key to greatness. So I hope that helps. I hope that gives you guys some insights and some nuggets into our daily dose of light, love, and power with the focus on power for today. If you got value out of this nugget, if you will, share it on your personal and professional Facebook pages. Greatly appreciated. Get the word out there. For those of you who are in need of healing, feel free to reach out to me directly at ChristianRLong.com, ChristianRLong.com. Sign up for a consultation right there. Fill out the form. I get the notification, and then we connect with one another over FaceTime or Instagram, not Instagram, FaceTime, Zoom, or Skype, face-to-face. So hopefully each and every one of you are doing well during our pandemic, keeping your hands clean, practicing social distancing, staying isolated, and instead of being isolated and bored, being isolated, practicing gratitude, being isolated, and going within. So hopefully this helps you in practicing your constancy of aim and effort and non-laziness. And the interesting thing about this virtue is that there are no shortcuts to practicing constancy of aim and effort and non-laziness. The very nature of the virtue is being consistent and persistent over a prolonged period of time is how you develop that virtue, as opposed to other virtues that can be in moments or times or events versus being consistent with it all the time. So I hope that helps. Lots of love to you guys. This is Christian Long, Life Enhancement Consultant, wishing you a beautiful day, a beautiful week, and a beautiful life. Atma, namaste. Bye-bye.